comes the man, hot damn.
What's up? This is Jam, back with another house dance tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do pas de bourrée variations. Since the pas de bourrée is a foundational step in house, there's a lot of really fun and creative ways that we can mix it up. And I'm going to show you 3 different variations in this tutorial. Now, before we get into the variations, it's important that you have your pas de bourrée down. And if you need some help with that, feel free to check out that video right there where I break down the technique and how to approach it within house. All right, so the first variation I'm gonna show you is the pas de bourrée hop. All right, so how we're gonna start this one is, so I'm gonna start on my right leg. Now, when we step on that 1 right here, so this is gonna go 1. On this 1, I'm actually going to hop with this back leg. So this back leg is gonna step, and I'm gonna hop, step, step, okay? So this goes right, left leg steps, you're gonna hop up and land on the right to the left. So putting that together, the rhythm is gonna go 1, 2, and 3, yeah? So I have that pop, 1, hop, ta-ta, okay? That's my 3 to now go to the other side, and I can step behind with this one, boom, da-da, okay? So together it goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I like to do with this one is I like to kind of use my arms a little bit as well. This kind of helps me have that lift here, right? And then I'm also lifting my knees so they hop step just like that, hop step, okay? And that is the pas de bourrée hop.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Okay, so the next variation I want to show you is the pas de bourrée drag. All right, so this one involves us dragging our toe across. Okay, we're kind of going to this cross step. So with this one, what we're going to do is we're going to step on that 1. Okay, now on this 1, when this back leg comes behind, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift all my weight onto the left, and when I do that, I'm going to go into my toe. All right, so now this should have no weight in it. All the weight should be in the back leg. So this can freely move and drag along, okay? So slowly, this goes 1, 2, okay? So you see I have that drag. 1, 2, and 3, 4, right? So really the emphasis is going to be on that back step. So again, with the rhythm, it goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 1, right? So I'm having that drag right there. Doom, ta ta doom, ta ta doom, ta ta doom. Okay? Now just a stylistic thing, what I like to do with this one is I like to kind of have my arms kind of flow with that drag like this. Here. Boom. Boom. And you can also, if you really want to make distance, you can really move with this one as well. Okay? And that is the pas de bourrée drag.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Okay, the last variation I'm going to show you in this video is the pas de bourrée heel toe. So this one we're kind of mix and matching a heel toe step along with the pas de bourrée. So how I approach this one is the first thing that I'm gonna do is when I step on that first count, I'm actually gonna step inward, right? So if I'm starting on my right, I'm gonna step in and I'm gonna turn my body. Now from here, this is where I'm gonna go into that heel toe. So my left foot is gonna come behind and it's gonna twist, all right? So from here, it twists and okay? Now when I step on that next one, again, I'm in, and then I go twist, okay? And all right, so putting that together nice and slow, this goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, So now with this one, I really like to use this twisting motion with my body. Having that twist helps me find that the footwork as well. So when I step in, I'm twisting with the body, and then I'm twisting over this way, ha ha. And I stay this way to add that extra step. Then I'm gonna twist again going this way. And boom, boom, ha, doom, doom, ha, doom, doom, ha, doom, doom, ha. Okay? And that is the pas de bourrée heel toe.
Jam, jam, here comes the man. Hot dog.
Now, if you want more training with these variations of the pas de bourrée, I have a new house choreography class here in my membership on YouTube. If you want to check that out and get some more training in, feel free to hit that join button down below. Within the membership, you get access to all of the classes I have available, as well as monthly feedback on videos that you can send me, and I'll give you some critiques to help you on your dance journey. Now, if this video has helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.